Welcome to JGrennan Sons customer web portal. In this demo I'm going to show you some of the key areas that you need to familiarise yourself with in order to access your account, make orders and view your account details. So let's get started. To log into your account you need to click on grennans.ie. On the bottom left hand side of this home page you need to click on the account login icon. You need to type in your account number. This is case sensitive, and I'm now going to type in my password. When that's done, click login, and that's it, you're logged in. And you can see up in the top right hand corner I'm logged in now as Joe Blogs. Next I'm going to show you how to view your account details. So on the top right hand corner you see my account. You click on that, and on the column down along the left hand side here you'll see all the different ways you can view your account: recent products, payments you've made, outstanding invoices, all invoices, deliveries, tickets are relating to weighbridge dockets, history going back along on your account, and reports. Reports are probably the most important on this page. So you can get your statements here. Detailed statement last fiscal year to date. It'll be from the 1st of the 1st 24 to present. I'm now going to show you how to place an order on this online portal. So firstly you go up to products on the top side of the screen, and on the column on the left hand side it gives you a list of all the products we sell and that you can order. We are going to order 4 tonne of bull beef crunch, so we're going to go into feedstuffs and we're going to core feeds, branded, beef coarse, which is meal instead of cubes, coarse. Go down along until you find bull beef crunch. So here we go, bull beef crunch, and we're going to order 4 tonnes. And we add that. We then come back over to our left hand side and whatever else we need to order. So say we order milk replacer. We're going to order 6 bags of Wonder Thrive, which is our brand of milk replacer. Wonder Thrive calf milk replacer with lung booster plus. So say we order 6 bags of that. And that's it. I think that's all I need at the moment. So I'm now going to go to checkout up on the top right hand side, and I come down along, tells customer my address. My delivery address is the same as my invoice. That's correct, so I leave that ticked. If my delivery address was different I'd untick that. Reference and notes. This notes is very important. You need to give a description of where you want your product delivered. So I'm going to say here, deliver to new shed on left hand side of entrance. The more information here the better. Okay, so you click next on the bottom right. So you need to make sure all your details here right. Delivery, invoice, 2 products you've ordered. So we've ordered 4 tonne of bull beef crunch and we've ordered 6 bags of Wonder Thrive, and these are the notes: delivered to new shed on left hand side of entrance. So if you're happy with this information here, you hit submit. After submitting your order you'll receive a confirmation email, and our sales team will be with you shortly in order to arrange delivery or collection. And that's it, you've successfully placed an order. If you've any questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out to us at sales@grennans.ie. Thank you for using our website, and I hope you found this demo